Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix your shift key when it is not working. Means it will not capitalize letters when you press on it, and also it will not let you to enter numbers, inverted commas, etc. But it pasting the copy text which we last copied. Select the text, 5 words, select 6 words of a text with mouse left key. To solve this problem, you need to select the 6 words of a text or more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then press shift plus L, and now it will not change the text and the shipping. Now get the letters. If you select 5 to 6 text and then press shift key and press right arrow key or left right arrow key, and then this problem will be solved for time being. So this is a solution to save this problem. Now you can type capital letter with shift key. This way you can solve this problem. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.